March 14th and 15th, the moon is in Capricorn and the sun is in Pisces. Earth and water. This is the best combination to have Pisces and Capricorn together. Pisces have very refined taste buds. They go when they buy the most expensive wine. They have an incredible sense of art or music. They can really hear. And Capricorn is absolutely the excellence, the sign of excellence. They want to excel and they want to be the best. So you put these two together, Pisces and Capricorn, and you get refinement. However, they don't have a real need for you to actually understand them. They tend to be somewhat standoffish. They dress really nicely. They're not the most social animal. So this weekend is more time for you to look around your world and refine and clean and maybe even get some organization going because the moon's in Capricorn. You might want to look around and see what you could throw away. Pisces love everything to be in its place. Minimalism was designed by Pisces, like get rid of things. So that would be a great thing this weekend. Throw some stuff away. It's always symbolic to me when there's clutter. And Saturn is squaring Mercury. Saturn's in Sag and Mercury's in Pisces. And we talked about this the last video. They don't get along. If a baby were born right now, you know, some of you have this in your chart where your mind can't be trusted. You're a little insecure. That's what Saturn square Mercury describes. People that second guess themselves. Some people are really confident. They have a mental body they can trust. They were told they were smart in school and they got this confidence. But some people weren't told they were smart in school. I see this a lot. And they feel a little bit insecure. And that's not necessarily true because they weren't academic, but you might have wisdom. The combination at the best of Sag and Pisces is they're so spiritually awake. And with the moon in Capricorn, it helps really level things out. So take some time to consider, ask yourself while the moon's in Capricorn, how am I doing in my world? Give yourself a little pat on the back. And enjoy this weekend with something delicious and expensive. It's really okay every once in a while to spend money on the pleasures of this life and do it with consciousness and say, I'm going to have a refined experience and let my insecure mind realize that I am safe and I do deserve the yum yum factor.